Fun and learning. Hey there, young learners. Are you ready to discover animals that live on a farm? Yeah! Great! After we meet them, we can make our own animals out of Play-Doh. I'm excited about this new adventure. I hope you are too. So grab your cowboy hats and prepare for some farm animal fun. Oh, hi there, Farmer John.
Oh, hi there yourself, young learners.
It looks like you have a barn full of animals.
Oh, yeah. These are all my farm animals that I take care of every day.
And who is that over there on top? Oh, I hear the sound of a chicken.
Oh, that's just Molly. She is the farm's chicken.
Hello, Molly. Let's pick out a Play-Doh color. I think we should use the yellow Play-Doh to make our chicken.
I love the color yellow.
First, we need to flatten the Play-Doh by rolling it with this pin. Now, push the stamp in. Then apply the cutter. Let's remove the extra Play-Doh. And voila! But we're not done yet. Our chicken needs a red comb and a colorful tail. Now our Play-Doh Molly is ready. A chicken or hen is a bird people raise for its eggs, meat, and feathers. Chickens have short wings and heavy bodies, making it difficult for them to fly. All right, Farmer John, who else do we have in the barn?
Oh, I'd like to introduce you to Buttercup.
Buttercup? Who's that?
Oh, this cow is Buttercup. She's the sweetest farm cow.
Hello, Buttercup. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I've got some fresh milk for you.
Oh, I love milk. Let's go and find a Play-Doh color for you. How about this black?
That's a fantastic color.
Now we flatten this black Play-Doh with our rolling pin. There you go. Next, I'll put the stamp down. And apply the cutter. And we have a Play-Doh Buttercup. But wait, she's missing something. How about some white spots? And pink on her tail and ears. Now she's ready. Cows are large mammals, often used as livestock for milk, meat, and hides, which is used for leather. Cows eat plants and can produce up to 8 gallons of milk a day. Oh, Farmer John, I hear the oink oink of a pig. Where is it coming from?
Oh, that's just Miss Piggy. She's our energetic pig.
Hello, Miss Piggy. Are you ready to find your Play-Doh?
Hello. I sure am. I love to have fun.
I think the best color for you is pink.
Pink is my favorite color.
Let's flatten the Play-Doh and get it ready for our shape cutter. That should do. Miss Piggy, you look cute, but you'll look better if I decorate you a little. I'll put a little black on your nose. And your feet. There you go. Pigs are mammals with short legs and thick skin. They are very smart and social. Pigs come in all different sizes. They can grow up to 700 pounds. Hey, Farmer John, I hear something trotting around.
Oh, that's Ginger. He's a very brave and fast horse.
Hi, Ginger. Let's go for a ride and pick a color for your Play-Doh.
Let's go.
So your name means red, so I think we should choose the red Play-Doh.
That's me great.
Okay, time to flatten the Play-Doh and make our shape. There you go. We're almost done. Let's decorate his mane and his tail. Ginger, you look amazing. A horse is a large four-legged mammal with hooves, a long nose, and a tail. Did you know horses can sleep standing up? Horses are used for transportation of people and goods around the farm. Farmer John, what animals are left in the barn?
Oh, yeah. We have Lady Baba, the sheep.
Oh, hello, Lady Baba. You look so fluffy and soft.
Oh, hi. I'm ready to go graze.
Sure, but first, let's pick you out a Play-Doh color.
All right. I think I should be white, like my wool.
That sounds like a great idea. Okay, young learners, you're becoming pros at this, so let's flatten the Play-Doh and make our shape. Almost done. Now, let's put some black on your feet and your ears. Wow, you look amazing. Party time. I mean grazing time. Sheep have 4 legs and a thick coat of fleece. They are raised for wool, meat, and milk. They are known for staying close together in a flock. Hey, Farmer John, what is that blue vehicle?
That's old Blue, our tractor.
A tractor is a big machine that has many functions on a farm. It is mostly used to plow fields to get ready to plant crops, or for harvesting the crops when they are ready. Let's make a Play-Doh tractor. Old Blue is blue, so I think we should use the blue Play-Doh. Let's flatten the Play-Doh so we can use the shape cutter. Don't need this extra Play-Doh. Let's add some black tires. Now it's ready. Farmer John, we have one more color of Play-Doh. What else should we make?
Well, all the animals live in or around the barn, so why don't we use the orange Play-Doh to make a barn?
That's a great idea. Let's prepare the Play-Doh for the shape cutter. There we go. Let's add a roof. And a window. Now that looks amazing. A barn is a building used for storing grain, hay, or housing farm animals and equipment. Thanks, Farmer John, for letting us meet all of your amazing farm animals.
Well, thanks for stopping by. You're welcome anytime.
I hope it was a fun and learning experience for all of you young learners out there. Until next time, keep learning and exploring. Bye-bye. For more videos, please like and subscribe.